At the end of my videos, will show you all the information you need to give to PayPal or where to deliver to my house. Well, I was going to work on my brown quilt, and this is the block that I want to do, but that right there is calling my name. I want to be clean. I want to be clean. So, we'll be back in just a minute. Alright, now that I'm done with hubby, what we want is a bow, and I'm going to fix you up a little bit better. There we go. So I can have a little bit of let's stick you right there. Alright, so I can have this space over here. So what we want to do is, see, I even threaded my machine, and I'm going to unthread it just so I can do this. Alright, we want to take our foot off. Let's take the whole thing off. Give us that little bit of extra room there that we're going to need. There we go. Start taking everything out. Alright. Now I want to take my needle out. Now, with the needle, this is a good time to change your needle when you clean your machine. So, I'm going to put this one in the get rid of, and I'm going to get me another needle, and I'm going to stick it in my bowl, see it's a singer. So, we have that, and pulling out my stuff that I'm going to need. So bear with me. Alright. Oh, I forgot. You got mine that I need. It's in this one. I'll put you back up there in just in a minute. As soon as I find that one. I think that's it. Nope. Oh goodness. Fine. Well, where is it? There it is. There it is. That's the one. Yep, that'll be it. Put my stuff back in here. I don't want to leave it out. Well, I don't want to go back in there now. I think I need a bigger one. Okay. So, now then, we want to start taking these screws out. Take that one off. Don't want to lose them. I wonder if I can get it with this screwdriver better. Nope. Make them hard to get into, that's for sure. No wonder nobody wants to clean them. Can't get to it. Alright, now I want to take a plate off. Doesn't look too bad underneath there. But we want to clean it as well. Alright, I have just a regular paintbrush. And I keep this right here, rubber band around it, to keep these together. So, what we want to do is just take and just start sweeping it off. Ooh. Sweep it all off. There we go. Now look on it. Can you see it? Let's see if you see it. Yeah, you can see it. I got it on my brush too. Be alright. Alright. So let's see what we can do. Look at all the dust and all the rock. Alright. Now set this aside. Now I gotta find my tweezers. Alright, I had to go get me another pair. So we will start working on this. Now lay me out a rag, paper towel, whatever, right here, and I'm gonna start picking it up, shoving it in here. I ought to show it to you. Show it to you. You see how dirty that is? Right in here. Look at that. Alright. So I'll start picking it all out. Yeah. Look at that. It ain't been that long ago since I've done this. I like to pick it out. I don't like to push it down in the bottom. Yeah. And all.
Better to take it out. Bring it back up.
Yeah. Alright, now you want to take this out. See how that looks? Alright. Dust it off too. Clean it up. Get that little brush. Clean it off real good. Down in here. And we're just taking it and just going like that in it. Not no big deal. Alright. Now watch what happens when I start getting all this. Look at this. And it ain't been that long ago that I cleaned this thing. I know it. I know I clean it once a month. But I sew a lot.
Yes, you do.
So I need to do this. Rick said, look, you need to start doing it once a month.
What's the week?
Yeah, no, once a week. Blah, blah, blah. Look at that. It's tacked up there. Yeah. There ain't none in that one. That was a good job. Alright. I think I picked all I can with my tweezers. I used to have a big long pair, and I don't know what happened to them. See if I can see them. Let's see if these tweezers will work better. See, I know where all my junk is. See what we can do with these tweezers. Get down in these crevices. Let's try another pair because I can't get down in there with them. Sometimes it'll work, sometimes it won't. Yeah, these are here open up bigger. You would think I haven't cleaned this thing, but I'm telling you people, I have. I have cleaned it. It's just where I sew so much. probably ought to start doing it once a week and recording it once a week. I need to get me some more oil. I'm almost out. I've got enough to do. This round.
So,
Huh?
should I download that book?
What is it? Coming Israel? Well, I don't know why you would download it. Why would you?
So we could read it?
Well, the thing of it
We'll
is,
have to try to buy it.
that's up to you if that's what you want to do.
Download's free.
Yeah.
It's,
I'd rather have it in my hand where I can put it down. I got a book right here, The Tender Commandments, and I'm wanting to try to read it, and I ain't got started on it. Alright, let me go get a brush to clean my brush. And my sewing machine looks horrible. Got Barbie hair stuck in it. Now that part come from the Barbie doll hair. But anyway. This little brush is good because it's a little makeup brush. I mean, it sticks to all this lint. What is that? No. No, I'm fine, Mom. I got plenty of tweezers over here. I appreciate it. I don't need it. Yeah, you'd think I didn't clean this thing, though. I'm serious. You'd think that. I'm gonna start recording me doing it every time. I try to get every crook and cranny down in here. There we go. I got that big old blob there. Alright, Let's clean this brush off again. Now then, I have this little light, and I really do like it, because I can turn it on. Where's it at? There it is. And I can shine it down in there and see the crevices that I haven't got. Right up in through here. Oh, look at that. Bet you I didn't get that one the last time. Tweezers. You would think I didn't clean it. I'm telling you people, I have. Years. Alright. Now, I think I did pretty good. So here's what it's going to look like now. Looks a whole lot better down in there. Alright, now, the next thing I want to do, I want to take this, and I'm just going to go like this, so I can get anything that I have missed. Then there's not that much going down in the bottom. And if I missed anything, then I can get it with this, hopefully. So now, I think it looks better. I can't get that up in there. But that does look a whole lot better. Alright, let's turn it back around here. Let's clean up my brush. So I can have my brush. Try to keep my tools clean so I can keep everything else clean. It's got so much lint. Alrighty. Set them over there. Set this over there. Now, let's get us another. We want to wipe all the way around this way. Try to get all the dirt we can off of it. I think that looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. Now we got to start putting it all back together. Now we want to look at our pieces. We want to put some oil in there. Get the oil. I'm going to drop some oil down in here on our gears. I'm looking for them. Okay, look at my plate again. Alright. That one. And then we have it down in here and over here. If you look at your plate, it'll tell you where to put your oils at. So I have that one, that one. Alright, so I'm doing good. Alright. Now this one right here, if you look at the flat part right here, and you see this flat part right here, that's going to slide right up in there. Now you got this little part right here. This little part right here. And if you look on the on this right here, you, focus. Come back out. Alright, if you'll see a little bitty notchy looking thing right here. Alright. It will butt up right against this one, I think it is. Yep. See there? How it just butts right up against it. Alright. Now we have that. Now we're going to put it back together again. Okay, I think I got it wrong. Duh. There we go. Maybe I'm not the right one to watch. Alright. Let's put our screws back in here. If you can. What? Oh, I had no idea. Now, if I'm not careful with this one right here, if it's too tight, then I have trouble with my bobbin. And I'll show you why in just a minute. Okay. Here we go again. This plate right here, pretty well much rest is right up in here. And if this right here is tied too tight, then this right here is down more. And it puts pressure on that bar. So I have to watch that one and make sure it's not. I don't know why this machine is this way, but that's just the way it is. Check it. And make sure that it is not tight, but it is down in there. I don't have that problem on this side. So, okay. There we go with that one. Now, I want to put this screw back in there. Well, There we go. I got it. Yay. Alright. Now we want to put a needle back in there. Now the flat side of your needle, you have a flat side and the rest of it's round. You want the flat side to go in the back, pulling lint off from up here. Make sure I got it right. I don't understand why it's not going up in there. Alright, let's try the flat in the front, which I know it's wrong. Yeah, go back to the back. There it goes, there it goes, there it goes. Now we're going to tighten it down. I just wasn't holding my mouth right. That's all. Alright, now we got that in there. Now then, we can put our foot back on. Tighten it back down. There we go. Now, I don't tighten it. I just tighten it to where I can do it with 3 fingers, and that's all it needs. Alright. Now then, we want to put our thread in there. Put our cap back on it, and thread our machine. I don't know. Got some lint on this thing where the needle goes. There we go. There we go. Now I want to check and make sure that this is right. So we're just going to... Okay, something's... See? It just bubbled right on up. Something's not right. See how it just got all together? Oh man. Start going out. See what I'm talking about? If I don't have that one screw right, one screw has to be right. Don't tell me I'm going to take this thing back apart to fix it. Get it unraveled. I had to do that the last time. Alrighty. Get all my stuff back in my bowl. There we go. So, let's try to tighten it all back down. Alright, let's see if we're doing better this time. What do I do with that thread? Oh no, I lost my bobbin. I didn't put it in my bowl. There it is. Down, around. Alright. This time I'm gonna pull this up. Even though it doesn't really make a difference. Alright, I got that, all that. Alright. Let's tighten this one down a little bit more. Let's tighten this one down. We'll try changing my bobbin. See if my bobbin has anything to do with it. This is the thing I hate. It's trying to figure it out. Try to find me another piece of material too. See, it has to be just right. Or this is what I put up with. Every time. Loosen it. Loosen it. See? And you say, oh, it's your tension, it's your tension. I'm telling you people, it's not my tension. It's got auto tension. So I should not have to worry about my tension. Telling you, it ain't no tension. Alright, got that. Alright, here you go. Alright, let me put a little bit of light on this. I'll be right back. Alrighty. Now then, if you look right here, still can't even see that. Yeah, you can right there. Look at all this thread that's gathered up right here underneath this one right here. See, that is what's causing my problem. I wished it was white thread, then you can see it. I'm going to pull it out right here. It's that right there. And I have to keep playing with it until it lets go. Looks like I'm having the trouble on the other side as well. Got to be tighter. That's too loose. Now, alright, you hear all that? Just fine. Alright, now what I do with the bobbin? Alright. There it goes. There it goes. See, I got it right. That's one thing that I have to do is make sure that it's right, or it won't sew. And see, there's that side, and then there's that side. Now I think I'm ready to get started on my quilt. Oh boy, what a nightmare. Thank you for watching. If you would like to donate to Poor Man's Sewing, please go down here to Poor Man's Sewing, mash it, go over to About, and right here is your donate button, and mash on it. All donations will go to the sewing room shed that we have, and they are very much appreciated. Thank you. I appreciate your donating.